Hey, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you some of the future outlook, some of the things you can expect from MAYER EMI for the Vibes and the MD900 platforms. There's more videos on the channel where I just jam with it. There's like, no talking kind of music making, live performance setup, and also explaining kind of the depths of how this device works. But in this video, we're going to be looking at a future outlook of where this platform is going, which I think is going to be super interesting. So let me show you the first thing that I think is pretty sick. If I head over back to the Vibes here now and I go to setup, I hope you can see this, but this is right now connected to my Wi-Fi network. And there's an Ethernet port on the back, which I'm sure is going to be used for all kinds of other interesting things, but you can just also connect it via Wi-Fi and then transfer your samples onto this device straight from your browser, which is, kind of boggling. So, mind-boggling. Basically, right now I'm logged into the Vibes, let me go here, via my browser. As you can see here, there's an address, there's a password, etc. that you can set, and then you can go in and you can say, well, today I want to drop in maybe some MIDI files that I've created on my DAW, or today I want to drop in some WAV files, some samples, maybe a drum kit that I've created, and you can just put your sounds on your desktop into the folder structure that the device requires, give it all a name, and just dump it onto the browser, drag and drop, and it just gets transferred magically onto the device, and then you are ready to use it in here and load it into your drum sampler, for example. So this is all already pretty crazy, and this is actually functional right now. You can, if you get this device, you have access to this, but let me show you what's actually coming, which is the bit where I was quite blown away by this. So what you're seeing here now is the software that MAYER is right now working on, which is going to be released sometime in the future. I can't tell you exactly when, but I know that they're working to finish this as soon as possible. And what you're seeing here now is, in essence, what's going to be ported into a browser so that you can control the synth from a browser. And actually, as you can see, if I go back a bit here, you can draw your notes, etc., and copy stuff, quantize stuff, and whatnot. Of course, you can control the mixer, and you can start to create. There's me looking at this going like, whoa, what's going on? You can start to create a whole live set on the device straight from your browser. And for example, here you can see he's broken open the part where the samples are loaded for the drums, and you can dump in your samples right here and then balance them against each other if that's necessary. And this way, build up your sample-based and synth-based live set that's going to be on a physical hardware device right here, which is, let me take you over to the clip launcher. So this corresponds to what you're seeing on the screen here, which are these parts, and then the drum sampler, and then there's some external MIDI channels also. So this is bridging really the gap between a software-based workflow with just your computer to now something that is able to interface both with a human on a device, but also on a screen, and just kind of synchronizes seamlessly between that, which, when I saw it, blew my mind. And it's one of the most futuristic concepts that I've seen for like DAW-based kind of bridging these two things, music production. So there's like dedicated sidechain buses and everything on the device. So I think it's quite laid out towards electronic music, and it's just really a blast to use and super fun and sounds incredible. So this was the video I wanted to show you, just to give you an idea of where this is headed and how cool this is going to be, and actually already how usable it is now, just with dragging, dropping MIDI files, but it's going to go to a whole new level. So let me play this set for you a little bit so you get an idea of also what it sounds like, and I'll see you on the next video. All right, take it easy. Bye-bye.